Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price predictions. This is an intraday video, and of course after the morning, as we said, we are looking for lower prices, and here we go. This is exactly what we saw today, a very long wave towards the downside. And I kept as this 1-to-1 fib level taken from this part, from here to here, of course, base to give us, of course, if we will invalidate this diagonal. And of course, once reaching this 1-to-1 fib level, that means of course your wave 5 is longer than your wave 3. So we have invalidated a diagonal. So this diagonal is not our scenario, what we are looking at. Probably we have still two remaining scenarios for the bearish. And of course, I'm gonna clean up a little bit here. What we are looking for the bearish, of course, and because we are looking a little bit lower, but of course there is still one possibility that it might not give us, of course, lower prices. Don't forget the remaining one is the triangle A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, and E, and then explosion towards the upside. Or we are still in a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then big wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. And in that case, you will get the low, you will get a proper A, B, C correction, and then booming towards the upside again. Now, one of these scenarios are gonna play. As you can see, you start to look at higher prices, and that because, of course, we see some pressure from the buyers. We can see it already on the KGT signals here. Of course, if you would like to have more KGT signals, just join the Discord through the Patreon membership, and you're welcome to see the updated signal every day in the morning. And of course, some important signals which I share directly to show some potentials of trade. And of course, as you can see, right now we have a very high pressure, and as you can see, of buyers, of course, and you can see this last bearish signal taken from here on the 5-minute chart where we start our trend. If the CVD's line goes a little bit higher right now and reaches this bearish signal, it's gonna create a divergence with the bearish. And we are not looking for a divergence with the bearish. We always look for a continuation towards the downside. So you would like to see a bearish signal here and another bearish signal before getting high. So you would like to see the same trend moving towards the downside. Now we see a lot of bullish pressure. If this bullish pressure will continue towards the upside, but probably we're gonna move towards the downside so far. As you can see here, there's still a convergence with the price in this 5-minute chart. So we might still looking towards the downside. And of course, reaching even higher, more prices. If we take a look a little bit in a bigger picture, we take a look here on the 15-minute chart, you can see, of course, that we are already in a very strong sell signal since this correction has started, and we see a very strong convergence with the price action. You see the price is getting lower, and also the same, the signal is getting lower, and also the same for here, also the signal is getting lower and lower. However, be careful, even if we go a little bit back. Okay, we need the 1 hour then. If we go to the 1 hour chart, I need to see the lowest signal, buy signal. Here we go. This is the lowest here. Yes, this is our lowest when we have started our 1112s, guys. Yeah, the buy signal here, right? It gave us a buy signal to move towards the upside, and now it gives us the sell signal once we have started, of course, as this correction. Now, as you can see, the convergence is very strong, right? It's very strong here, but you look at what happened. It's with the price. It's not a conversion. Sorry, here it's a divergence for that. That means, of course, we are still bullish, and you see here that is some divergence for the bullish signals, right? If you check with each price action, you see just divergences. Now, on the 1 hour chart, you see this is your last bullish signal, and this is now the current one, or even this one. You see here there was still a divergence, so we get a little bit high, and now we are getting, of course, lower again, so it might create a divergence from there. If we get a very strong bull signal here with this one that it is unfolding right now, if we stop here, guys, it might give us a little bit higher prices, okay? And that might be your wave D for a triangle, yeah? Don't forget A, B, C, D, E, yeah? So if that will play as a bullish, it might give a one more wave D, and then we get a convergence with it again for wave E, and then boom toward the upside. So be careful from the triangles. This is what I would like to message here in this video. Be careful from the triangle. It is a very characteristic of a wave 4, especially when we are in a very, very strong trend before. Triangles comes in when we have very massive move towards the upside. So of course, to somehow balance all the prices, right? It needs a triangle as a correction, you know. And then it can continue simply towards the upside. That was it for the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments. Don't forget to join Discord through Patreon membership, of course, to get much more signals for KGT and much more update for Bitcoin as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.